You are SO2M.
Oh, yeah. SO2M.
That was graceful.
I'm falling apart here, Sterling.
What's the report of the day?
The report is if I can get a chip in my mouth that has salsa on it fully, without spilling it, that is the report of the day. Winterfest was great. I had a good time. I was pleasantly surprised on the amount of people that were there.
Yeah, it was a surprising turnout. Although I went to that CERT forum, and I came back and there was no one there. I mean, it was just, he was reading off his charts and whatnot. Go to the website to learn about CERT. And I was like, what can I do for young people? Like the CERT, they use FRS like natively. They don't go right into ham radio. I guess I should turn this around. They don't go right into ham radio, but they do use FRS and do all of like the hardcore training, like the first aid, the search and rescue, that sort of thing, you know? But I want the young people in my neighborhood, because there's tons of them, like kids, like barely even in school, to get an FRS radio under the kind of guise, if you will, of CERT. Like the power goes out or like the gas goes out or something happens. Like this wasn't great in COVID, but they have a radio that they can play with during real time and like good times. And then when stuff hits the fan or the power goes out, they can get on the radios.
During bad times.
During bad times. Oh, the cell network's out. They get on the radios. Like, what's going on, Johnny? It's like, I don't know. Want to come over and play marbles in the dark? Whatever you can do in the dark, right? Because in California...
Whatever you do in the dark.
Okay. Candlelight, flashlights, whatever.
Marbles.
But in California, they do fire for the fire awareness and fire like safety campaigns. CERT operates out there to serve whenever the fire's coming. They have all of the plans in order, and they give like all these communities FRS radios.
Oh yeah.
And 9 times out of 10, well, 99.9 times out of 100, it's just the neighborhood kids playing on the radio,
right?
Like having fun, clicking the mic, pushing buttons, playing music. It's like what kids do on FRS, right?
Also, what kids do at Huntsville Hamfest.
Yes. Or Yoda Camp. It's all SSTV all day. Like, ugh. But that, having those kids on FRS, like, gets them a awareness of what radio is, and that brings them into ham radio. A lot of those kids in...
It's a gateway.
I think it's Park Valley or Paradise Valley or something like that in California. Some of those kids get into ham radio, get into CERT for real. So I was like, I want to do that in St. Louis, because all these kids are playing, get a radio, so when it's raining, you can talk and stay off your phone and whatnot. But anyway, this is not my channel, this is your channel. Oh, I forgot, you were the interviewer.
It's A-roll.
This is A-roll. B-roll. Actually, this is C-roll. C-roll. This is going on AA0Z.2. Where is everyone?
We really don't know. We did not leave that much out before them. Like,
well, Jocelyn and Chris are going to be here in 10 minutes as of 5 minutes ago. So.
Yeah.
All right, once more people come, we'll turn the camera back on.
Don't you dare get video of this. This is diabolical.
You think it's funny that
Point and laugh.
Soup at a Mexican restaurant.
You got the
And I'm like, there's no way.
It's not a rose.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, look. What is that, Chris? What did you get?
what is this?
Are you going to be...
Here, let me point at it.
Yeah,
Right there.
There's your thumbnail.
Rainbow. We were in Montreal with
How are you, Kyle? Can I interest you in some soup?
Yeah.